Hello everyone, my name is Pradnya Lonare and the topic of this learning video is quadratic equation based on formula method, and the formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So the question is, solve the following quadratic equation. The equation is x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Give your answer correct to two decimal place. Guys, this question already asked in ICSE Maths paper 2020. So let's start the solution. In our solution, first we copy as it is this equation. After writing this equation, we compare this given equation with standard form. As we know, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here in this equation, we know that coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and constant term c. So in our equation, we have coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is minus 7 and constant term we have 3. So let's compare. After the comparison, we get the value a, b, c. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 3. Now let's proceed further and write down the formula. Now after writing this formula, in our next step we substitute the value, which is we already know. The value of b is minus 7, value of c is 3 and the value of a is 1. After the substitution, we calculate this term now. Now here minus minus is plus. In under root, minus 7 square is 49. Minus 4 multiply 1 is 4. And 4 multiply 3 is 12. So minus 4 multiply 3 is minus 12 upon 2 multiply 1 is 2. Here we calculate this term. And now 49 minus 12 we calculate in our next term. As we know, the value of under root 37 correct to two decimal place is 6.08. So we write down here this value. In this step we have positive or negative sign together. So this step we write down in two parts. In first parts we write positive sign and in second part we write negative sign. Let's calculate this term. After the calculating this term, we get our answer 13.08 upon 2 or x equal to 0.92 upon 2. And after the dividation, we get our final answer, which is 6.54, and here x equal to 0.46. So this 2 is our correct to two decimal place. I hope you understand this sum. Keep smiling. Bye.